Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Kia Forte brake pads. First, gather your essential tools like a sturdy jack, a lug wrench, and a C-clamp. You will also need new brake pads and some caliper grease. Safety is paramount, so always use jack stands and wear appropriate eye protection. Having the right tools makes the job much smoother and safer, ensuring you can complete the task efficiently and correctly. Let's get started with the first steps. Once your Kia Forte is securely on jack stands and the wheel is off, you can begin. First, locate the two caliper bolts, usually 14 or 15 millimeters, and remove them. Carefully slide the caliper off the rotor and support it so it doesn't hang by the brake line. Now, you can easily slide the old brake pads out of the caliper bracket. Take a moment to inspect the rotor for any deep grooves or excessive wear, as it might need replacement too. With the old pads removed, it's time to prepare for the new ones. Use your C-clamp to slowly compress the caliper piston back into its housing. This creates space for the thicker new pads. Apply a thin layer of caliper grease to the metal contact points on the new brake pads, not the friction material. Now, slide the new pads into the caliper bracket, ensuring they fit snugly. Reinstall the caliper over the rotor and tighten the caliper bolts to the manufacturer's specifications. After installing the new pads and caliper, reinstall the wheel and lug nuts, then carefully lower your Kia Forte. Before driving, pump the brake pedal several times until it feels firm. This resets the caliper piston against the new pads. Take a short, slow test drive to ensure everything feels right, avoiding hard braking initially. Remember to check your brake fluid level and top it off if needed. For other great deals and the link to those amazing darn tough socks, check the description below. Your Kia Forte will thank you for the smooth, safe stops.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.